There is a huge difference between building alone and building with a global community backing you up. And that difference is the AWS Community Builders Program. The application window for the 2026 cycle is officially open until January 21st. Quite simple. If you love AWS, if you love sharing what you learn, this program is designed for you. Now let's break it down what the program really is, why you should apply, and how to get in. Most people would believe that the AWS Community Builders Program is reserved for those who are highly skilled, heavily certified, or those who are well known in the public domain. This assumption alone discourages many people from even attempting to apply, even the strong candidates. In reality, AWS is not looking for experts. AWS is looking for builders, people who are always willing to learn, share openly, and show up constantly. It's not about being the smartest in the room. It's about having the curiosity to learn and the discipline to share with others and the community around you. So now the most important question, which is, why should you apply? Well, beyond just being a nice community, this program can fast track your career. And here are 4 main pillars you can benefit from. Now first, the financial support. You get 500 USD in AWS Credits so you can play around with advanced services and build complex demos without worrying about the bill. You also get 1 voucher for any AWS certificate of your choice. And you also get 1 year subscription for free for Cloud Academy, which is a platform you can learn the cloud and upskill yourself. Second, the insider access. You get private invitations to private webinars with the AWS service teams, product team, and the engineers that are actually building the services. This alone gives you a sneak peek on the upcoming products and services, which will help you experiment and share feedback to shape the future of these products. Third, the network. You get to connect with like-minded people who are interested in learning and sharing just like you. This is your chance to learn from experts, find mentors for yourself to help you grow, and connect with AWS heroes. Finally, the fun stuff. You get a welcome kit from AWS filled with exclusive gear like backpack, t-shirt, mug, bottle of water, stickers, cap, and many, many more. It's always a nice bonus, and trust me, you will really like them. More importantly, you will also get discount to big AWS events. For example, reInvent. This will make attending the biggest cloud event of the year much more affordable to you. Well, we already talked about benefits, but now let's talk about eligibility and what are the requirements for you to be eligible to join the program. First, you don't have to be an expert, and lots of people confuse this, but you need to show that you are trying to help your community and others learn. There are many ways for you to do this, and I'll go ahead and share some of helpful tips here. First, you can do that by blogging. You can publish deep dive articles on Medium, Dev.to, or even your own personal blog if you have that. Or you can through videos. For example, you can create YouTube tutorials, how-to videos on your personal YouTube channel. You can talk about new or existing AWS services. Even on social media, you can also share insights, helpful tips maybe on your favorite social network. For example, on LinkedIn, on TikTok, or on Instagram, or any other social media really. You can also provide community support. For example, if you can join discussions on forums and even on Reddit, so you can join AWS subreddit and help people who are struggling with some technical issues. Same on AWS repost, so you can help others get unblocked. Finally, speaking. You can give talks at cloud meetups or AWS events, if it was remote or even in person. The key here is being consistent. You have to prove that you are trying to help the community by sharing your knowledge and helping each other grow. Well, now, since you know you're already eligible and you want to apply to the application, let me tell you that the application for the 2026 cycle is already open, and it's gonna be open until January 21st. So to apply, here's what you have to do exactly. First, click on the link down in the description or comment section below. It will open the homepage of that program. First, you have to sign in with your AWS Builder ID, which is a free profile that you can create. Once you are in, you have to fill a form. So it will ask you about basic information about yourself and the content that you are publishing. It's a straightforward application, but make sure that you don't rush it. Try to gather the best link, blogs, and YouTube videos that you have. Now, if you are watching this video after January 21st, unfortunately, the program is most likely closed. But don't worry, you can join that waitlist by using the same link. And when the program opens next time, you will get notified so you can apply. Meanwhile, make sure you are helping the community and sharing your tips and insight with everyone. I've been building on AWS for the last 5 to 6 years, but this year I'm applying for this program. If you are applying too, make sure to let me know down in the comment section below. I'm rooting for you. I hope you best of luck and stay safe. Happy building. Woo!